If you have to write tests and script tests, you're never going to be able to keep up. So as soon as you can, start to look at some sort of modernization initiative to move on to like an auto-generating test platform so that you can actually use that to handle most of the tests. And traffic-based testing, it's actually kind of a new space, but there's a variety of use cases like continuous performance testing is one of them. I call it continuous because now with the use of mocks, it unlocks a tremendous amount of velocity. But if you're doing a platform migration, for example, you could capture traffic at your gateway or your ingress, and you can move from EC2 to Kubernetes and validate that the migration went smoothly. There's people benchmarking Graviton processors against Intel processors. So, you can find out if ARM works better for your application architecture versus Intel. That's another one. You can even generate these sophisticated mocks and use them locally on your laptops, like on Minikube or something like that. Variety of use cases for traffic replication. And I won't cover all of these, but really traffic contains kind of the key to unlocking the ability to test consistently and frequently. So the reason why we focus on traffic is because it contains requests, it contains the schemas, right? It contains the data context, like, hey, am I testing with gold medallion members or platinum medallion members? Like it contains that sort of data that you can reuse. And then it also contains the environment dependencies, like who do you talk to? Well, you can look at traffic and reverse engineer what your backends are. And so all of these elements, we call it kind of the testing triplet: requests, data, and environment, or you can think of it as tests and data and environment. Your traffic contains all of these things. You just have to examine it, mine the data, and it will unlock all the abilities. You can use the traffic to test your scalability, ensure quality, and then of course that in turn leads to more reliability.